Astronauts can't burp in space. Here on Earth, when you burp, gravity keeps the liquids and solids in the bottom of your stomach. Gas and air rise from your stomach, eventually leaving your body as a burp. In space, there is no gravity. This means that if you tried to burp, the liquids and solids wouldn't stay in the bottom of your stomach. Basically, you would throw up inside your spacesuit. Ugh. Oh, and if you're wondering how the gas and air escapes the astronaut's stomach, well, let's just say it's not a good idea to eat beans in space.